Hello, this is Chaudhry Mahmood Anwar and welcome to my Statistics and Research Education channel. Today I'll guide you how to conduct descriptive statistical analysis in Python. First, I'll tell you how to calculate central tendency of your sample and then how to calculate the dispersion of your sample. I will use Python statistics module to conduct descriptive statistical analysis. Now I'll illustrate how to conduct descriptive analysis in Python. Let's say this is our x variable, which is a list type variable having multiple values. We will check whether x variable is working fine. Print x, run the code. Okay, there is no error. Now we can use this variable. We will import the statistics module as st. This is very important to import the statistics module to Python and run the code. Now the module has been imported. Now we will calculate the descriptive statistics. I'll calculate mean of x. Always write st before the command, st.mean of x, and run the code. The mean is 10.307. Now I'll calculate the mod of x, st.mod and x within the parenthesis. Run the code. The mod of x is 11. Now I'll calculate the median of x, st.median and x within parenthesis. Run the code and the median is 11. Now I'll calculate the harmonic mean of x, st.harmonic_mean within parenthesis. Write x and run the code. The harmonic mean of x is 5.177. Now I'll calculate the dispersion of the sample, mean dispersion of x. So first I'll calculate the variance, st.variance within parenthesis. Write x and run the code. The variance of x is 38.064. And finally, I'll calculate the standard deviation of x. And the command is st.stdiv within the parenthesis x and run the code. And the standard deviation is 6.169 of x. So today we have calculated mean, mod, median, harmonic mean, variance and standard deviation of x by using Python statistics module. Thank you very much for attending me today.
Are you tired of rejection of your academic scholarship? Submit your research to International Journal of Management, Economics and Social Sciences. With us, you will experience a reputable publishing platform that will guarantee high-quality peer review. Our unique mentorship program enables you to develop your research to increase the chances of publication. Our editors are eminent researchers who will provide the much-needed impetus for your academic works. Visit www.ijmess.com and get your work published.